In this video, you will learn how to configure the filing paths for your photos, thumbnails, and reports. For customers using the professional version of PhotoIn, there is one set of filing paths. It can be accessed through the admin console and then filing paths. As you can see, there's a filing path configuration for photos, reports, and thumbnails. Looking at photos, the default filing path creates a folder hierarchy starting with a folder named PhotoIn, then a folder named Photos, and a folder named Project Name. Project name is a variable. The system will take the project to which the photo is assigned and use the actual project in the filing path rather than the name project name. So for example, if a photo was taken for project XYZ, according to this filing hierarchy, photos would be filed under PhotoIn/Photos/XYZ. The other available filing variables are shown on the right hand side here. Project key, date, which is the date on which the photo was taken, location, which is the address of the project at which the project was taken, device is the name of the device that took the photo, which is normally the username. You can also use values for your tags to build your filing hierarchy path. The same options are available for thumbnails. For reports, there are fewer variables available, but you still have project name, project key, date upon which the report was created, the location of the project with which the report is associated, and device. To edit any of these filing paths, simply drag one of the filing path variables from the right hand side to the left, or if you want to specify a specific folder name, you can simply type in the folder name, add it to the hierarchy, and then rearrange as necessary. Once you're done making the changes, click Save.